Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new workspace on Perplexity. So once you're on Perplexity, just look towards the left hand side and you'll find spaces. And here you can create a new space. So you can simply click on new, and here you'll be able to have a new space and you can give it a name and so forth and so forth. So you can always go ahead and create spaces. So let me go ahead and give this space a name. So let's just call this one Drew Tutorial, and you can choose to add files. You can do whatever it is, and this will be your new space. I can even add photos if I want to, emojis and all those good stuff. So I can add something there, files, whatever. You get the general idea, and that's it. So you can start by asking whatever you want. We're gonna just say hi or hello, and that's it, right? So let's say this is my new space, guys, and you can see that there's a new space at the top here called Drew Tutorial. And you can always go ahead and add new space. As you can see here, this is a new space, and if you want to add more space, you can go ahead and add more space, right? So you can create a new space from here as well. So you can add a new one and a new one and a new one, and that's it. That's how to create a new space on Perplexity AI.